Hello students, welcome. I am teacher Srimati Prakash. Last class we learnt about the introduction of speech. From today's session, let's start singing speech for all Sarali Varasais one by one. Like I said before, make sure to practice all 14 Sarali Varasais before getting into speech. Let me summarize the speeds again. The first speed has 1 swaram per beat, second speed has 2 swarams per beat, and the third speed has 4 swarams per beat. In today's session, I will sing all 3 speeds for first Sarali Varasai. So keep in mind that the talam should be constant. We just speed up the singing. I will sing 3 speeds for first Sarali Varasai. Then you can sing along with me. Okay? Good. So as usual, we will start with Sapasa. Re ga ma ba da ni sa ni da ba ma ga re sa re ga ma ba da ni sa ni da ba ma ga re sa Hope you like this video. In next session, we will see the speech for next Sarali Varasai. Thank you.